$3,000 to $47,000 a month with TikTok. Hey guys, Francis here. In this video, I'm going to share with you guys how to make $3,000 to $47,000 okay with TikTok for 2020. Now, with this video, what you're going to be expecting is a free method, and it's also a worldwide method, which makes it awesome. Okay, everybody can literally do this. Now, what is needed for this is time investment. Okay, you get to invest between 1 to 2 hours per day to make this method work for you. All right. And I'm going to share with you guys how to build around TikTok. Okay, and if you stay to the end of this video, I'm going to be giving you a bonus tip on how to use different ways, okay, to monetize and maximize your results, to get more results with this particular method. Now, if this is your first time on stopping by on my channel, my name is Francis Abogonye. I make entrepreneurship videos. I do make money online methods like this one, and I document my experience on this channel. So if you like videos such as this, I invite you to hit the red subscribe button and tick the little bell notification icon so you'll be notified whenever I come up with contents like this one. That way you don't miss out on anything. Now, if you want to make money online, you can let me know how much you want to make on a daily basis, okay, in the comment section of this video, so I can make future content tailored to your goals. All right. Now, if you want to know my #1 recommendation also to make money online, that will be the first link in the description of this video. You go check that out. You can get started with my #1 recommendation to making money online. All right. So with that being said, let's dive right into the video, and I'll be sharing with you guys how to make this kind of money, okay, using TikTok. Let's do this, guys. First off, guys, what TikTok is, if you just run a quick Google search on TikTok, TikTok is just actually a social network, okay, that's actually hot right now. A lot of people are on TikTok. They are getting a ton of views on TikTok, and they are killing it on TikTok actually, okay. It's actually known for comedy and talent videos and all those kind of stuff. And it's also cool for short form content, short form mobile videos, just like you can see right here. And a lot of people are on TikTok. The other day I made a TikTok account. I also made a video on TikTok, and it was it actually got some views right there. Okay, if you're on TikTok, let me know that in the comments. If you're actually getting a ton of views on TikTok, let me know that in the comments also of this video. Okay, so TikTok is actually a cool social media platform, and it's growing very, very fast. Over 500 million users currently. Okay, and it's actually huge. A lot of advertisers are currently advertising on the platform, and they are making sales, are making a killing out of it, because you can run paid advertising on TikTok right now. For those of you who don't know, now you know. How to make this figure is we're going to be looking at a guy's channel, okay, and how he's crushing it using TikTok, okay, and what he's currently doing to make that kind of numbers, okay, for his business. So to go there, we'll just go right here. So this is a channel called Succulent, okay. This guy is making a killing out of it, and you can see he's posting TikTok videos, okay, TikTok compilation videos. That is what he's posting on his YouTube channel, all right. His channel is just built around posting TikTok compilation videos, okay, which is actually cool. You see, he's posting between 3 to 4 videos every single month on his channel, okay, to be making that kind of money. He's the one making $3,000 to $47,000 every single month, okay, and you can check that number when we go to socialblade.com, okay. Social Blade estimates his channel to be making between $3,000 to $47,000 every single month. Now, based on my experience also with YouTube, I know he will be making between $40,000 to this $47,000 every single month, or maybe more, okay, every single month on his YouTube channel, just by monetizing using AdSense alone. All right, the YouTube Partners Program, just by using that alone. There are other ways to monetize also that I'll be sharing with you guys as a bonus if you stay to the end of this video. So you can see he's raking in a lot of money every single day with this channel, because he's getting a ton of views. Okay, now with comedy, he might be getting between $2 to $4 per CPM, or $2 to $3 per 1,000 views, okay, on his channel. So he will still be making a lot of money because he's getting a lot of views on his channel right here. You can see every single day he's getting a lot of views, and you can see he's doing very, very cool. Though his subscriber counts tends to go down a little bit, but his views rate is kind of like consistent. Okay, the graph tends to be cool right here, and you can see what this guy is doing on his channel right here on TikTok. He's actually posting compilation videos. Okay, he's posting compilation videos of other people, videos of other people. So all you can do to get started with this is just to go to TikTok, get content from TikTok, okay, download a bunch of them and start editing them and putting them together. The videos you get from TikTok, you start creating compiling them together and posting them on your YouTube channel. Now, what this guy is doing right here, okay, he's posting content, long form content right here, which TikTok is actually known for short form videos, okay, but he's actually posting long form content because he's putting them together, right, to make them long. Now, all you can do is basically download this content and use this software called Adobe Premiere Pro. Okay, this is what I use to edit all my videos. So you can use this to actually put videos together, all right, compile those videos you've gotten from TikTok, put them together, all right, and post them on your YouTube channel. Okay, now if you don't know how to use Adobe Premiere, you can come to YouTube and type in how to edit with Adobe Premiere. Okay, depending on the one you have. If it's CC, fine. If it's CS7, CS8, I don't know, those old ones, you can actually still edit with them. They're not that difficult. Okay, all you have to do is just watch some few tutorial videos right here, and you'll be on your way. You'll be on your way to using Premiere Pro to edit basic videos. Okay, not pretty much advanced things. Okay, I use it every single time, so I know it's not that hard. Anybody can do it if you just come to YouTube and learn the ropes on how to use Adobe Premiere Pro to edit videos. Okay, so for some of you guys who don't have money to invest into this, because Premiere Pro costs money. Okay, for some of you who don't have money to invest in this software right here, you can come over to Google and just type in FX Home. Okay, just Google FX Home or come to fxhome.com/hatefilm-express. This is actually a software you can use to edit videos. Okay, this is a professional software. According to them, professional tool you can use to edit videos, awesome content for filming, gaming videos. Okay, and this is perfect for beginners. Okay, film students, gamers, YouTubers, or any creative without a budget. Okay, so this is free to use, and all you have to do is to come here, download this, and start making your own compilation videos. Now, to create a channel, if you already have a channel, if you already have a YouTube channel, you can come to Google and just type in YouTube channel switcher, and you'll be brought to a page where you can just easily click on. Let me just do that right now so you just see, because I actually clicked this earlier on. Once you click on channel switcher, you'll be brought to your page, okay, where you already have your existing YouTube account and an option to create a new channel. So when you click on create a new channel, then you can now create a brand account. Okay, so you can create a brand account around your TikTok channel. You just put in a cool name. You can see what this guy is putting right. He did right here. You can get creative. Okay, you know what to do. Okay, just figure it out. All right, everybody can come up with a great name. Just put your mind to it and you'll come up with an awesome name. Okay, it's not that hard to do. Okay, now you can see how much this guy is raking in right here. Okay, with AdSense alone. Once you build your channel around TikTok like this, okay, I'm putting these compilation videos, it will be easy for you to get to the required threshold to monetize your channel with YouTube, with AdSense. Okay, it will be easy for you because this is long form content. You can see this average video right here is 21 to 22 minutes long. Okay, so you can create long form content like this one. Okay, so it will be easy for you to get that watch time, that 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. To enable you get subscribers, all you can basically do is just to tell people in the comment to subscribe. Okay, towards the end of the video or at the beginning of the video, you can put the subscribe icon and tell people to subscribe. And by so doing, you will easily get to your 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, because this is long form content. People want to watch this for long because it is highly entertaining and engaging. So people want to stay longer to watch this content. So it will be easy for you to monetize with this once you can do this between 1 to 2 hours every single day. Just put a little bit of time and stay consistent with it. And in no time, you will be on your way to monetizing your YouTube channel with AdSense. All right. So that's the cool part about this entire strategy right here. Okay. Now, like I made mention, towards the end of this video, I'll be sharing with you guys how to maximize your results. Okay. How to make more, all right, with your channel. Apart from using the YouTube Partners program to make money, okay, by monetizing your channel with ads, all right, you can also do sponsored posts. Okay, you can also become an influencer, okay, by doing sponsored posts and posting other people's links on the description of your videos. Okay, let me just pause this. You can post for people who have drop shipping stores, okay, and you can maybe do like inside the videos, you can maybe put a link, okay, for people to click in the description to get those products. Maybe in my next video, I will make a video around how you can edit videos and put advertisement, okay, on them, telling people to click on the description to get certain products. Okay, if you like to see that kind of content, okay, let me know in the comments. Okay, smash the thumbs up button also to tell me that you like this kind of content, so I can create more of this kind of videos for you guys, so you can use that to monetize as well. All right, now you can do sponsored posts by posting certain websites, okay, helping people promote their website, especially dropshipping stores right here, and putting discount codes and all that in the comments of some of these videos. And also you can do affiliate marketing. Okay, you can sell product, okay, other people's product and services in the description of your videos. All right. And by so doing, you are monetizing in two different ways. Okay, working with brands to help them get more sales, or promoting other people's product using affiliate marketing. Actually, that business model that works awesomely well, that I love so much. Okay, use affiliate marketing to monetize as well, to maximize your result for you to make more money using this compilation method. Okay, so this is how you can easily do this. It's not that hard to do. All you have to do is to stay consistent with it, and this guy is just posting between 3 to 4 videos every single week, and this doesn't take that long to do. Okay, this doesn't take that long. So if you can do this every single day, okay, you can easily get your channel ranked. You can easily get your channel monetized also, and start making a ton of money with this platform right here. So this is beginning of 2020, and you can make a killing out of this if you can get started right now. And it's not that super competitive right now, because I don't see much people doing it. Other people are doing it actually because this works very well. So it will be cool also if you can get started with this as well. Now, I'll put the link in the description of this video where I share my #1 recommendation to making money online. You can check that out also. And if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Hit the red subscribe button and tick the bell notification icon so you'll be notified when I put out content like this one. Now, this January, I present loads of content, okay? Loads of valuable content like this one that you'll be learning a lot from, and you can use to make money for 2020. Now, let me know in the comments how much you would like to make on a daily basis, like I made mention in the beginning of this video. So I'll make videos tailored to your goals and your goals alone, on how you can achieve those goals as well to making money online, right? So we've come to the end of this video, and if you enjoyed this video and learned anything new today, show your support by hitting on the thumbs up button right now. And also share this video with your friends to give value to some of them. All right, for some of them who are looking for ways to make money online, you can share this video with them to give value to your friends as well, so everybody benefits. Okay, so with that being said, I'll be seeing you guys in my next video, and keep strong, keep crushing it, keep everything cool, keep everything awesome. Bye bye for now, guys.